this is Russia's house.
Okay. Even the snow in the house.
Yeah, I'm sort of afraid of Russia.
Look at Russia's car.
You can't even open up the door. It's stuck. It's frozen. It's frozen stuck.
Watch.
Got me in a train. What? What y'all doing?
It's cold. My curl is frozen.
Wait, let me see.
My curl is frozen. Someone help.
If I get stuck to this thing, I'm gonna get mad.
No, it's gotta be full metal. Full metal alchemist.
Oh.
Stupid turkey. Yeah, Russia forced me and
No, right here.
Russia forced me and Turkey to go
Put
over
your
to
tongue
his
right there.
house.
Put your tongue right there.
No.
Wait,
Yes, do
I'll
it,
put my
Ryan.
curl right here.
Put your tongue right there. Oh, that mommy pulled my tongue.
It pulled off! No! My curl!
I didn't know that was metal.
It
Someone told me that was metal.
off.
Is this metal too?
Yes,
Yeah.
Turkey, that's metal. I thought you had metal in your country.
I'm scared.
Russia!